Crypto, it's everywhere, isn't it? You've seen the headlines. Bitcoin hitting new highs, Ethereum powering smart contracts, and even those Dogecoin jokes about going to the moon. But what is cryptocurrency really? Is it just money? A scam? Or could it be the future of finance? Let's break it all down together, from the absolute basics to the bigger picture. Welcome to NIS JKT Discovery. This video is for educational purposes only and isn't financial advice. Always do your own research before investing in anything, especially crypto. What exactly is cryptocurrency? At its heart, cryptocurrency is digital money, but unlike traditional cash, like the US dollar, it's not printed or backed by any government. Instead, it's built on something called blockchain technology, which is essentially a super secure, public digital record book. Think of it like this. Every time someone sends or receives crypto, that transaction gets recorded in a block, and those blocks are all linked together, forming a chain. That's why we call it a blockchain. The cool part, there's no central bank or authority keeping track. The entire network itself, made up of thousands of computers around the world, handles all the record keeping. Why do people trust crypto? So, why would anyone put their faith in internet money? It comes down to three key things: transparency, security, and decentralization. Every crypto transaction is recorded publicly, anyone can verify it; encrypted, making it incredibly difficult to hack; immutable. Once it's recorded, it can't be changed. There are no middlemen, no banks involved. It's just people exchanging value directly with each other. And that's pretty powerful. Top cryptocurrencies and their purpose. Let's chat about some of the big players you've probably heard of. Bitcoin. Created in 2009, it's often called digital gold. There's a limited supply, only 21 million coins will ever exist, making it scarce. Ethereum. This isn't just money. It powers smart contracts, basically self-executing code that runs apps without any middleman. Stablecoins like USDC, Tether, these are tied directly to the US dollar, meaning one coin always equals $1. They're great for trading or saving without worrying about wild price swings. Altcoins, think Solana, Cardano, Avalanche, and many others. These offer different features, like faster transaction speeds, lower costs, or unique use cases. How people use cryptocurrency. Crypto isn't just for investing anymore. People are actually using it to send money faster and cheaper than traditional banks, earn passive income through staking or lending their crypto, buy things, from Starbucks coffee to even Tesla cars. Yes, seriously. Join decentralized apps or purchase digital art. And it's not just individuals. Big companies like MicroStrategy, Tesla, and even Visa are adopting crypto in various ways. Around the world, governments are racing to keep up with the fast-moving world of cryptocurrency. While crypto is legal in many places, it's under increasing scrutiny, and how it's classified varies. Some treat it as currency, others as a security, commodity, or property. In the US, regulators like the SEC, IRS, and CFTC are watching closely. Crypto profits are taxable, and some coins or platforms may face future restrictions. In Europe, the MiCA regulation sets unified crypto rules across the EU to protect investors and prevent fraud. In Asia, responses differ. Japan supports crypto with strong regulation. China has banned most crypto activities. India allows trading but imposes heavy taxes. Globally, central banks are exploring CBDCs, digital currencies backed by governments, like a digital dollar, euro, or rupee. These aren't cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, but show that digital money is going mainstream. Crypto laws vary by country, and they're changing fast. Wherever you are, always stay updated on local regulations. Is crypto a good investment? Let's be real. Some people have made millions, others have lost everything. So, is crypto a good investment? Pros. Potential for high returns. Innovation in finance and technology can act as a hedge against inflation. Cons. Extremely volatile, still young and evolving, not yet widely accepted for everyday purchases. The key takeaway? Do your own research, and try not to get swept up in the fear of missing out when you hear about hype. The future of cryptocurrency. Crypto is more than just digital coins. It's a movement, pushing towards decentralization, privacy, and borderless innovation. In the next few years, we might see more widespread real-world use, cleaner energy solutions for crypto mining, clearer crypto laws and investor protections, fascinating AI plus crypto integration, mass adoption through user-friendly mobile apps. Whether you're a skeptic or a true believer, one thing is abundantly clear. Crypto is fundamentally changing how we think about money. If you found this content valuable, please like the video and subscribe for more educational content from NIS JKT Discovery. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next one.